In this video, I'll show you how you can reset your mouse to the original defaults on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, what I suggest you do is you come down here and search for Device Manager, open it up, and in here there should be one called Mice and Other Pointing Devices. In here you want to right click and update driver on everything that you have in here, so all the HID and also your mouse. After that, head over to Human Interface Devices and see if you can find your mouse in here. Now, from what I can see, my mouse is not in here, so you don't have to do anything, but if you can find it, you want to do the same under here. After you've done that, what you can do is you can just close this down, come here and search for Control Panel, open it up, and in here we want to press on View by Large Icons, click on Mouse, go over to Pointers, and then click Use Default. After you've done that, you should have the default options and your mouse should be the default one. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.